This time I'm going to show you the double loop, but I'm going to add an attachment. You know, for example, and this time I'll show you an ear wire. Now I've already cut my head pin and just slightly longer than my finger width, and I'm going to come in as normal with my pliers upside down and grab it in the spot so that it's flush as usual on my finger and give it that first roll like we always do. Once I'm there, I've left it open a bit, and I'm going to thread on the ear wire in this instance, and then I'm going to come back in again, and you can either come in upside down or the front way, it doesn't matter, and I'm going to continue rolling. And there, and there, and there.